Hello children, welcome to your English language class. In previous modules we have studied about verb. Alright, we all know that action words are called verb. There are many types of verb you have studied till now. Action verb, there are two types of action verbs, physical action and mental action. Helping verb like is, am, are, was, were. Transitive verb and intransitive verb. When a verb requires an object, it is transitive, and when a verb does not require any object, it is intransitive. Clear? Now, today I will tell you about 5 forms of verb. You must be knowing about it, but let us revise once again. First form of the verb V1 is the base form. For example, play, run, etc. Second form V2, which is used in simple past tense. Clear children? Like played, ran, etc. Third form, it is also known as past participle. It is used in perfect tenses. Alright, and with third form we use has, have or had. Don't forget that V3 is also known as past participle. V4 and V1, first form and fourth form of the verb, is used in simple present tense. I have already told you about this in parts of a speech class, that first form is used with plural nouns and fourth form is used with singular nouns. Fourth form is formed by adding s or es in the main verb. Fifth form of the verb, which is also known as present participle form or ing form. It is used in continuous tenses. Clear? Ing form is also known as present participle and it is used in continuous tenses. This also is formed, the fifth form of the verb is also formed by adding ing in the base verb. Alright? Now children, today we are going to learn about 2 more forms of verb, that are infinitive and gerund. Participle is also there, but participle is not in your course, so I will just tell you in short, but we will not do in detail. Verbs as other parts of speech. Clear? So let's see. Infinitive. Infinitive is the most basic form of verb. It acts as a noun or an adjective. It remains the same in every tense. Whatever tense we are using, in whatever tense we are using the sentence, the infinitive form will always be in the same. Clear? So what is that infinitive form? That is 2 plus V1. V1 means first form of the verb, means the base form of the verb is used with 2. This is only called infinitive. Now let's see some examples. I like to read books. Now in this sentence, what is action? Read is not action. The action is like. Alright, here read is used as infinitive, that's why it is used with 2. Clear? Ali wants to draw in his free time. In this sentence also the action verb is wants, but draw is used here as a noun infinitive because it is used with 2. My dog loves to play with me. In this sentence the verb loves is an action word, and play is used as a noun in the infinitive form. Now next is gerunds. Gerunds are verbs that act like a noun. Gerunds are also verb that acts like a noun. For example, listening to music makes me happy. Here listening is not used as continuous tense. Alright. Here listening is used as noun. Name of a thing, what we do. So listening to music makes me happy. Here listening is a gerund. Calvin loves playing football. In this sentence also playing is used as noun. Reading books improves vocabulary. In this sentence also the word reading is not a verb. Here it is used as a noun. Alright, participle is a verb which is used as a noun or an adjective. Clear? Participle is used as a noun or an adjective. Thank you class. That's all for today.